Guys, the howler
May lumabas na
siren.
babae.
Bro, may damage dealt yan. Ting ning 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 ning. Bro, nasa Santo Niño Bridge na tayo.
Parang
Paldo.
model siya na
Ting ning 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 ning.
siguro to mga ni Mark
Kita mo na yan.
Nagtayo ng base.
Ting ning 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 ning. Bro, may damage dealt yan.
Sabi ko siya lang.
Ting ning 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 ning. Ting ning 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 ning. Ito na yung circumcision. Let's go. 2 sirens in 1 day. Ting ning 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 ning. Iyan oh. Yan. Circumcision. Hi guys, I'm Buang. Circumcision. Ting ning